My pearl blister needs to stay on my lip. Thanks, pearl herpes. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, no, no, no. Oh. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I look crazy and I absolutely love it. I feel like if I smile too big, these pearls are gonna fall off my lip. You'll be dealing with her throughout the video, I'm sorry. So today I am playing with the Nomad Cosmetics Tokyo Harajuku palette. And you guys, this palette is the cutest thing in the entire world. Oh my god, I love it so much. Why do I sound like this? Because it's so cute. First off, look at this packaging. Okay, you guys, this packaging is adorable. Here, let me turn the lights down so you can see it. Look how cute this is. I know, if you guys can't stop looking at my mouth, you don't have to feel it right now. It feels very strange. Alright, so here is the palette. Oh, so beautiful. I used every color except these, two grays and this neutral here. So I used every one of the actual colors, you guys. I am actually going to show you some of my favorite colors real quick and then turn the brightness back up because no one wants to see this. So I am going in with Otaku, Moshi Moshi, Takinoko Zoku. This is not my strong point. And Mel Tea Room. Look how beautiful these are. They're so beautiful. I mean, these are exquisite eyeshadows. They are beautiful. They were so richly pigmented when I put them on. But I did clouds and pearls and whatever this is. I have a puppy as an accessory in the background. My little bows, pigtails. Are you a puppy? It does have 15 colors, and I will have the price link below. I just said that, but I'm sorry, I can't think. So, I forgot what I was going to say because of my daughter. So let's just look at these cute product shots! Oh, you guys. I look so cute right now. I can't stop looking at my face. I just look like a crazy rainbow unicorn poop mermaid thing. And I'm living for it. Look at these hair bows! Oh, they're my daughter's. I stole them. I'll just, go through those. Swatches, cute little product shots. These little squishy animals. Like, they were like squishy and you squish them and their little bellies and oh my god, they're so cute. Okay, so that is what I have for that, you guys. This palette is beautiful. You're also going to see some lashes that I received in PR from Nostalgia Cosmetics, so if you guys are interested in those, I will also have all the information for Nostalgia Cosmetics lashes down below as well. But okay, if you guys are interested in seeing this super wearable pastel rainbow unicorn poop look with a mermaid tail added on, then just keep watching. I feel so adorable. Alright, so I am going to be creating clouds. I know it was a trend that was happening a while back, but very Kawaii and Harajuku, Tokyo themed, just like the palette. So I am super inspired by this entire palette, and that's the theme we're going to create, and we're going to have a lot of fun. I'm just super excited. I've never done a look like this. I'm probably going to look ridiculous, but I don't care. And I think you guys will enjoy it. This color is beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. so pretty. That inner corner is everything. This is my new favorite shade in my collection. Oh my god! Oh my god, look at it! It's beautiful! Oh my god, it's so pretty! Alright, you guys, my fan's on because it is way too hot in here to film without it on. So, anyone want to start a GoFundMe to get me a mini split AC in my sunroom? That would be great. Thanks, because I'm dying and all my makeup is getting ruined. So for the clouds, I'm just going to create little circular bumps with ABH just because it's the lightest eye primer that I own. And I'm going to actually use the shimmer shades to create the clouds. But the biggest portion of the clouds is going to be this right here. So you guys are going to see how beautiful it is. So now that I have the cloud base down, I'm going to start my normal gradients from the darkest color to the lightest color, but I'm going to be doing this with the shimmers, so I'm excited. The first color I am going to lay down though is this beautiful purple, so I'll do that one first, and then every other one is going to be these gorgeous shimmers. I'm so excited. This one, oh, I can't even wait. I'm so excited. I think what I'm gonna do, so I don't lose the clouds like I did here on this one, I think I'm gonna actually just color them down here and then do that really beautiful inner corner color up on the top, just so you can actually see the tips of the clouds. So it's just a little extra step, but I did hide this one right here. That color is beautiful. It's like yellow, but when you move, it turns into this beautiful baby pink. With some peach in it. Okay, I love that color. And I am using Zulu by ColourPop, which is a really pretty turquoise. Okay, I apologize if my lips were like really nasty. I did not realize this until just now, so I filleted them open with some lip scrub, so they should be nice and pretty now. But I was sent some lashes from Nostalgia Cosmetics. Now I'm going to be doing a fun little photo shoot with these guys on my Instagram. Let me just show you the styles real quick because they're really cute. It's very like 90s packaging, Tamagotchi Island, and these are really, really cute. This packaging is like, it's got a mirror and everything. So this is She's So Saucy. This is Mamiana. Oh, those are beautiful. Baywatch. Bestie. I love these ones. These are very like me, natural looking, but really nice and full. Shady. Oh, look at those. Oh, those are really pretty. And Bad Biatch. Oh, these are so beautiful. For this one, I definitely want something fun and flirty, but long, and I think I'm gonna go with something absolutely ridiculous, and I'm gonna go with She's So Saucy. Ooh! And these are $12.99 each on nostalgiacosmetics.com. So if you are following me on Instagram, I'll link that above if you are not. I will be doing a fun little photo shoot with these. These are so cute. And these can be used up to 25 times. So, I mean, I'm excited. I need lashes. Y'all know that I'm the worst at knowing what lashes are what. Now I have them in their own cute little container, and I can tell you guys the style of my lashes now. Thank you. So, I have these lashes on, you guys. They're so pretty. They're so big and fluffy. They're so fluffy, I'm gonna die. I am actually going to be putting pearls on my face. So I'm going to do pearls on my mouth, and then I'm going to be doing pearls on my eyebrows. Now, I can't take credit for this idea because I did find it on Pinterest, and I can't find the original creator. It's just a picture. Let's do this! Alright, so for blush, I'm going to go really heavy on the blush, and I'm just going to move it all around my cheek and on top of my nose and give me a really cute flushed look. And I'm going to go in with a pretty bright pink. Now, I have not used this particular blush since I got it, so I think it's time to pull this blush out. I am going in with Pretty Vulgar, and this is Prim Vixen, and this is a really pretty bright pink.
Big pearl.
A big pearl. Oh yes.
Here I am. Here I am. How cute you.
It's not gonna stick, baby. It needs glue. Oh, I look so cute! I'm going in with Flexitarian by ColourPop for the highlight.
More tiny pearl.
Tiny pearls.
Open face.
Open face. Alright, I am going in with, I covered the name up, so I will have it in the description. It is a Loreal, I think it's a signature Rouge collection lipstick, and I will link the color below. And to line my lips, I'm going in with Graceland from ColourPop. It's their white eyeliner. Alright, you guys, that is this absolutely ridiculous Kawaii Harajuku Tokyo inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This looks like I have some kind of infection on my lip. But it's okay. I'm okay with it. So you guys, I did use every color except these two grays and this nude here. But that is all I have for this video. I can't believe these are still on my mouth after me talking. Excuse my daughter. And that is all I have for you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, because I have to turn my fan on or I'm going to melt. What is going on with my phone? I need to turn this off, sorry. Oh, I can't fit that in there. I gotta use a brush. So I think what I'm gonna do is... Okay, it's quiet time. Shh. Okay, puppy. You need to be quiet now. It's quiet time so Mommy can film.
Gee.
What are you doing?
Mom might break my cat tablet.
Oh, you're recording!